Right now, your brain is being forcefully rewritten. Every infinite scroll, every 5-second video, and every instant notification is hijacking your neural pathways. You think you're choosing what to watch, but your dopamine receptors are actually running a software update. Installed by Silicon Valley. By the end of this video, we are forcing a factory reset. Your focus didn't die, it was stolen. Stolen by engineering teams paid millions to keep you hooked. They mapped your psychology, found the weak spots, and locked you inside an invisible cage. Your brain evolved to seek rewards for survival, like finding food or escaping danger. In nature, rewards required hard effort. You had to hunt, you had to build, you had to wait. But today, tech algorithms exploit this ancient machinery by flooding your system with cheap synthetic dopamine. Every like, every comment, every match is a free hit. When your brain is constantly flooded, it triggers panic. To protect itself, it downregulates your receptors. It reduces the number of dopamine docks available. Translation: real-world goals feel incredibly boring. Building financial freedom, working out, or reading cannot compete with the flashing pixels matrix. So scrolling feels mandatory just to feel normal. You aren't lazy, your baseline is broken. Your brain's internal code has been completely overwritten. You're running an automated script written by someone else. A script designed to extract your time for their profit. It's time to break the automated loop. To break the cycle, we execute a 7-day system purge. This is not a soft break. It is a hard system reset. Phase 1. Day 1 to day 2 is radical boredom. No short-form content. No infinite scrolls. No background music while working or walking. Force your brain to experience absolute friction. When boredom strikes, your brain will scream for a hit. Let it scream. This is your receptors waking up. By day 2, the mental fog begins to thin out. Phase 2. Day 3 to day 5 is deep work automation. Reclaim the first 60 minutes of your morning. The morning is strictly analog. No screens allowed. Write down your goals on physical paper. This shifts your mind from reaction mode to execution mode. You block out distractions and focus on one single task. Phase 3. Day 6 to day 7 is the dopamine baseline reset. Your receptors are now clean and ready. Reintroduce hard creation over cheap consumption. Shift from a consumer layout to an architect layout. Suddenly, hard tasks feel exciting again. Your brain finds joy in progress, not in notifications. You have officially reinstalled your original source code. The 7-day protocol is a filter. It separates those who talk from those who execute. Most people are terrified of being alone with their thoughts. They need the noise to drown out the reality of their choices. But you are different. You chose to watch this breakdown. You recognize that attention is the ultimate currency. Whoever controls your attention controls your economic future. If you give it away for free, you stay broke. If you invest it in deep focus, you build leverage. The 95% will close this video right now. They will say, "Good video," and immediately open another tab. They will slide right back into the automated loop. They will let Silicon Valley overwrite their destiny again. But the 5% operate on a completely different blueprint. The 5% will take control, close the extra tabs, and act. They delete the friction, shut down the noise, and execute. They start building independent assets instead of consuming them. Your 7-day system purge protocol starts right now. Clean the machine, reclaim your biological focus. Subscribe to forcefully override the automated system. Join the network of architects building their own reality. The code is in your hands now. Do not waste it. See you in the next chapter. Break the loop.